Here are 10 legitimate ways to make money online, along with some additional details about each method. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services to clients on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can provide services like writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, and more. 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, or Chegg Tutors connect students with tutors for various subjects. 3. Dropshipping. Set up an online store without keeping inventory by partnering with suppliers who handle product storage, packaging, and shipping. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce can help you start your own dropshipping business. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or social media platforms and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral links. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate are popular affiliate marketing networks. 5. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys, complete small tasks, or join crowdsourcing platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Swagbucks. You'll earn money or gift cards for your time and efforts. 6. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or by offering premium content or merchandise. 7. Online selling. Sell your products or crafts on e-commerce platforms like Etsy or eBay. You can also consider selling vintage items, collectibles, or unused items from your home. 8. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. This allows you to earn passive income by sharing your knowledge with others. 9. Stock trading or investing. Learn about stock markets and invest in stocks or other financial instruments through online brokerage platforms. However, be cautious as it involves risk and requires careful research and decision-making. 10. Website or app development. If you have coding skills, you can develop websites, web applications, or mobile apps for clients. You can find freelance projects on platforms like TopTal, Upwork, or Freelancer. Remember, success in any online endeavor requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. It's important to choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests to increase your chances of long-term success. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like,